In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a funnel in Clickfunnels. If you've ever created a funnel and later realized the name no longer makes sense, or you just want to keep your account more organized, renaming your funnel is a quick and simple fix. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact process, step by step, and give you a few tips along the way so you know exactly what's happening and why. First, start by logging into your Clickfunnels account and heading to your main dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different sections. What you want to do is click on the option labeled Funnels. This is where all of your funnels are listed, and it's the place you'll always come back to when you want to manage or edit them. After clicking on Funnels, you should see a list of all the funnels in your account. Take a moment to find the specific funnel you want to rename. If you have a lot of funnels, it can help to use the search bar or quickly scan for the one whose name you want to change. Once you've located the correct funnel, look for the small gear icon associated with it. This gear usually appears to the right of the funnel name or along the same row. The gear icon represents the settings for that funnel. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the funnel's settings panel. Inside the settings, you'll see a field labeled Name. This is the current name of your funnel. Click inside that name field, delete or backspace the existing text, and type in the new name you want to use. Try to choose a name that clearly describes the purpose of the funnel so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you manage multiple projects or clients. When you're happy with the new name, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page. There, you'll see a button labeled Update Funnel. This step is important because your changes won't be saved until you click it. Go ahead and click Update Funnel to confirm and apply the new name. After the page refreshes, you should see your funnel listed with its updated name in the Funnels section. That's all there is to it. You've successfully renamed your funnel in Clickfunnels and kept your workspace a little more organized.